8 legitimate ways to make money online in 2020. When it comes to making money online, the internet is full of garbage. I'm here to help you sift through it. This is not a how-to guide, it's a list of legitimate ways you can start making money online, remotely or as a side hustle. 1. Multi-level marketing (MLM). I'm not here to bash anyone, but MLM programs are generally pyramid schemes hiding behind a product. Anytime you make more money bringing people into the system as opposed to selling a product, it's not a business you want to be in. There is a bright side, however, MLM can teach you valuable skills such as sales, networking and how to effectively use social media. 2. Platform selling. If you have zero experience, start here. Platform selling refers to flipping items on marketplaces like eBay. I made my first dollar online buying and reselling Jordan sneakers on eBay for a small profit. I started by saving some money to buy the newest Jordans when they released. After they sold out in stores, I'd flip them on eBay for 2x the price. Here's some more examples of platform selling: selling stuff on eBay or Craigslist, renting on Airbnb, selling on Fiverr and selling with Amazon FBA. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you sell products or services offered by other companies. If generating traffic is a skill you already have, you may want to consider selling online advertisements. 4. Online advertisements. If you generate enough eyeballs, you can sell advertisements. There's a number of places you can monetize with ads. If generating traffic is a skill you already have, you may want to consider selling online advertisements. For example, your blog, email list or being an influencer. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. 5. Selling services. The previous methods mentioned are good, but this is where I made my big break. I was able to build and sell an SEO agency for 7 figures solely because I possessed skills the market needed. If you have a skill that you're really good at, i.e., Facebook ads, graphic design, you can sell that as a consultant, do part-time contractor work, offer microservices, start an agency. 6. Info products. Selling info products isn't for beginners and you have to actually have accomplished what you are teaching. If you wouldn't buy a course from someone that has never done what they are teaching, then you shouldn't teach something you haven't done yourself. 7. E-commerce. You can start an e-commerce business through a platform called Shopify, which allows you to dropship products. Dropshipping is a business model where you upload products from a manufacturer, usually from AliExpress, onto your website for a price higher than what the manufacturer is selling it for. 8. Software. Although there is a high barrier of entry when starting a software company, it is more passive than the previously mentioned methods because you don't have to deal with a lot of people and you get paid while you sleep. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck!